skng.slickboss.Jashii. Masicka.
You remember same thing like when Sizzler acting an assassin jump out of them parachute after me. Everybody has a cargo like a conscious artist. Everybody start to put me in my place with my answer. I see him think me do this. I say, Jashii, I'm a friend. I love Jashii. But let me tell you something. You see you from Antigua here? Silkboss, him bad. I me tell everybody say him bad. And the next thing we see people say, well, yeah, Skeng can't clash Masicka. No name, so you act like microphone mute when young artists are sing and he headphone lock off with the feet ears. No go so dog. Let me tell you something. You know the man you're supposed to afraid of? The man who have nothing for lose. Lord Jesus Christ. You're afraid of that man.